Good morning students. Today class I am going to start exercise number 5.4 question number 3. So I complete the sums in the exercise 5.4. Remaining 2 or 3 sums having. So we are going to continue this exercise. Show that the line x minus y plus 4 x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is a tangent. This line is tangent to the ellipse x square plus 3y square equal to 12. We are going to first prove that having the two questions given. First one we are going to prove that the line is tangent to the given ellipse, and also find the coordinate of the vertex. What is the meaning? The line and the ellipse where it meet. That is, suppose this is the equation of the ellipse, mean where the tangent meet the ellipse at the point. That is the called point of contact. So what is the given equation? Equation of the line is what? X minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Now rearrange the equation of minus y equal to plus x become minus x, plus 4 become what? 4 minus 4. What is our y? Now y equal to x plus 4. So remember this one, y equal to x plus 4. Already studied in the lower class. This is the equation of the straight line. What is the form? This is nothing but what? Y equal to mx plus c. So comparing with a y equal to mx plus c, what is the coefficient of x here? Comparing with a y equal to x plus 4. The given equation is comparing with a y equal to mx plus c. See, the comparing these two equations, the coefficient of x is nothing but what here? M. Here what? 1. Therefore m equal to 1. Next, what is the constant? Constant is here what? 4. Here what? C. C equal to 4. So comparing the two equations, this is the our equation. Comparing with the general form of the equation of the straight line, y equal to m, slope and intercept. This is nothing but what form? Slope. M is the slope, C is the intercept. This is slope and intercept form. Comparing with the slope and intercept form of equation of the straight line, y equal to mx plus c, m equal to 1, c equal to 4. What is the equation of the ellipse? Given ellipse is what? Question itself given. Equation of the ellipse is given. Given ellipse is what? X square plus 3y square equal to 12. What is the given ellipse is what? X square plus 3y square equal to 12. We remember, equation of the ellipse is nothing but what? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. But the question is given ellipse is in this form. So we come to in this standard form, because in this what form we are going to come to this given ellipses? In the standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this equation will make us the standard form of the ellipse. We want to right hand side always 1. So the equation is divided by 12. The right hand side become what? 1. So divide by 12. What is the constant here? That constant divided by the whole equation. Suppose 24 means 25 by 25 become 1. Here having 12. So 12 is divided by 12 on both sides. So right hand side we need what? 1. Because equation ellipse, what is the form? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. But what is the given ellipse? X square plus 3y square equal to 12. So making the form of x square by a square. There is no coefficient in the both x square and y square. Right hand side we need what? 1. Therefore what is the step we do afterwards? Therefore we need what is the constant here? Right hand side, what is the number here? That number is divided by the whole equation. So divide by 12. So the given ellipse equation is divided by 12. So x square by 12. So x square by 12 plus a, so 3y square by 12. 1, if we divide, after we get 1 3 is 3, 4 3 are 12. 12 divided by 12. So nothing but I left one step, very easy only. Just divide by 12. After dividing by 12, the equation become what? X square by 12, 3y square by 12. The 3y square by 12. 1 3 is 3, 4 3 are 12. So y square by 4. 12 by 12 is nothing but right hand side we get what? 1. This is of the form what? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Comparing the equation, both the equation of the standard form is compared with the our equation of the ellipse. Equation of the ellipse is compared with here. Here instead of x square by a square, instead of a square here having what? 12. Instead of b square, what is here having? 4. So here a square, comparing both, what happened? Numerator x square, denominator is 12. Here what? A square. Therefore a square equal to 12. Here what? Plus a. What is our numerator? Y square divided by b square. Instead of b square here having what? 4. Therefore a square equal to 12. B square equal to 4. Next, we remember the condition from the table 1. Condition for the line y equal to mx plus c to be tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is. Already I told you, you learn the table, then only easily able to do the exercise number 5.4 all the sums. It is the condition. So go through the formula. What is the condition for this one? So go through the table 2, given the condition. Condition to the tangent. If the y equal to the line y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the what? Tangent to the what here? Ellipse. Y equal to the line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse. Ellipse form is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 means what is the condition? Condition to the tangent is c here. C square equal to a square into m square plus b square. Remember this one. C square equal to a square into m square plus b square. Suppose condition to the tangent to the parabola means what? C equal to a by m. Based on this condition, we did one sums. So condition for circle is what? C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Similarly, what is the ellipse? Ellipse is nothing but instead of plus, here having for ellipse having plus say, but hyperbola having what? Minus sign. What is the condition for ellipse means c square equal to a square into m square plus b square. But hyperbola what? C square equal to a square into m square. C square equal to a square into m square minus b square. Now we learn this one only. In this question, we need what? The line y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the ellipse means what is the condition? C square equal to a square into m square plus b square. Then only I say learn the 3 table, very very important for you. So the same thing I write it here. Condition for the line y equal to mx plus c to be tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is what? C square equal to a square into m square plus b square. So learn the table only. Using the table only, able to do the sum very very easy for you. Next, memorize that one. Condition for the line y equal to mx plus c to be tangent to the ellipse is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is what? C square equal to a square into m square plus b square. Why we are using means we are going to prove that what is the question given. Show that the line is tangent to the ellipse. The given line is tangent to the ellipse means we prove that. Prove that means this is tangent to the given line is tangent to the ellipse means what? What is the condition? Condition is nothing but what? C square equal to a square into m square plus b square. The given question will make us the standard form of the equation, standard form of the ellipse. Afterwards find it in the a square value and the b square value. You substitute. What is C? What is our C? Already what is the constant value? Mx y equal to mx plus c. Here what is C? C equal to 4. So what is here C? Instead of C substitute 4. 4 square equal to what is our a square? A square is nothing but what? 12. 12 into what is our m? M is already we find y equal to mx plus c using m and m equal to 1, c equal to 4. Using these two result and a square b square result, we substitute the value. So c instead of c you substitute our 4. 4 square equal to what is our a square? A square is what? 12. M is nothing but 1 plus b square is what? Nothing but what? 4. Now 4 square is 16 equal to 12 plus 4 also 16. 16 equal to 16. Therefore, the condition is satisfied. The left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, the c square equal to a square into m square plus b square satisfied. Therefore, the given line is what? Tangent to the ellipse. The given line x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is here. The given line is a tangent to the not ellipse. So, therefore, the given line is tangent to the ellipse because we substitute the condition is satisfied. Therefore, the given, if you want to write means the given line is tangent to the ellipse. The given line is a tangent to the ellipse. If you want to mix, right. We remember the line equation, ellipse, you can write it. Afterwards, we will finish it that one. We finish the first condition. Next one is point of contact. This is also using the table. The tangent meet the ellipse means what is the point of contact? This is also formula minus a square into m by c, comma b square by c. Very easy only. But the formula is very must. Minus a square into m, comma b square by c. What is our a square minus as itself? A square is what we know. What is our a square? A square is 12. M value is 1. Divided by c is nothing but what? 4. B square is what? 4. Again c is what? 4. You substitute the m, a square value, b square c value. Substitute, get the result is what? Minus 3 comma 1. Which is the important step? This is only because the tangent is the line is tangent to the ellipse means this is the point of contact. What is the formula? Minus a square into m by c comma b square by c. This is very very important formula. Similarly, condition is what? The given line is tangent to the ellipse. What is the condition? C square equal to a square into m square plus b square. These two red pen I write it, both are very very important. Using the table 1, 2, 3, we will learn the table. It is very useful to do the sum. See the question number 6. The same model only. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the ellipse. Not same model. 6th and again one more sum I am going to teach the example, both are same model. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola. We are going to find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given hyperbola. What is the angle? Angle theta equal to pi by 3. We are going to find the tangent as well as the normal to the hyperbola. What is the given equation? 12x square minus 9y square equal to 108. So we want to, what is the constant here? That constant is divided by the whole both sides. Here having 108. So the both sides, both the left hand side as well as right hand side, we are going to divide by 108. 12x square by 108 minus 9y square by 108 equal to 108 by 108. Because we recall that one equation of the hyperbola in the standard form is what? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. What is our equation? X square by 9. We cancel 1 12 is 12. 9 12 are 100. X square by 9 minus y square by 12 equal to 1. Because what is the equation of the hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Only one difference. If the equation of the ellipse is nothing but we get the plus sign. If a minus means it is nothing but what? Hyperbola. Next class I am going to start the hyperbola and parabola and everything. So comparing with the standard form of the hyperbola, a square equal to 9. What is the a square equal to 9? A square equal to 9 means a equal to what? 3. B square equal to what? 12. B square equal to 12 means what is our B? Square root of 12. 2 into 3. Take 1 to 2 into root 3. Now we are going to find the A value as well as B value. Here also using the table only we learn equation of the tangent at theta. Equation of the tangent is what? X into secant theta by A. This is also a important formula. X into secant theta by A minus y into tan theta by B equal to 1. X into secant theta by A minus y into tan theta by B equal to 1. We know the value for A value, B value as well as the theta in the question itself here. Theta, what is given in theta? Equal to tangent at theta. Theta is, what is the value? Theta is pi by 3. Theta value is nothing but what? Pi by 3. So substitute instead of theta pi by 3, A equal to 3, B equal to what? 2 root 3. A equal to 3, B equal to 2 root 3. You substitute all the value for the equation. This is only very very important. X equation of tangent at theta. We are going to find the equation of tangent as well as equation of the normal. By equation tangent is what? X into secant theta by A minus y into tan theta by B equal to 1. X into secant theta value is what? Pi by 3. Divide by A equal to 3. A equal to 3 minus y into tan theta. Instead of theta, what you are substituting? Pi by 3. Y equal to tan pi by 3 divided by B value is what? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Now x into secant pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. Cos what is sin secant is nothing but what? Reciprocal of the cos. Secant 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Secant 60 is what? Reciprocal of 1 by 2. Cos 60. Cos 60. Pi by 3 is nothing but what? 60 degree. Cos pi by 3 is nothing but what? Cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of cos is what? Secant. Secant 60 is what? 2. Cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 gives what? Cos 60 only. 180 by 3 is nothing but what? 60 degree. So x into, instead of secant pi by 3, secant 60 is what? 2. 2 divided by 3 minus y into, what is our tan? Tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is only root 3. So substitute this one. Tan 30. Tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 is nothing but what? Root 3. That is tan 60 is what? Root 3. You substitute y into root 3 by 2 root 3. 2 root 3 equal to 1. So secant 60 is what? 2. 2x divided by 3 minus root 3 cancelled, y by 2 equal to 1. Just we do the cross multiplication, we make an equation. So 2x by 3 minus y by 2 equal to 1. So 2 2s are what? 4x. 2 2s are 4. 3 into y is 3y. 3 2s are nothing but what? 6. So 2 2s are 4x minus 3y. 3 2s are 6 equal to 1. What is the final equation? 4x. See, 2 2s are 4x minus 3y. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are what? 6. 4x minus 3y equal to 6. That is nothing but what? 4x minus 3y plus 6 become what? Minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. Just formula is very important for you. Next, equation of the normal. We are going to find the equation of the normal. At theta is nothing but what? What is the theta value? Theta value is what? Pi by 3. Theta value is pi by 3. Now we are going to find the equation of the normal. Reciprocal. Remember this formula only. That is ax by secant theta. Equation of normal at theta is what? Pi by 3. What is the equation? Ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta equal to a square plus b square. These are very important formula. Later you refer the table, learn it. Ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta equal to a square plus b square. From the equation of the tangent, already we find the value for a, b and theta. What is a? A equal to 3, b equal to 2 root 3, theta equal to pi by 3. What is a? A is what? 3. 3x by secant pi by 3. Plus what is our b value? B 2 root 3 into y. B is nothing but what? 2 root 3 into y. Tan theta. Theta instead of theta you substitute what? Pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 equal to 3 square. Instead of a, 3 square plus a. Instead of b, 2 root 3 the whole square. Now what is the balance? Secant pi by 3. I already told you for the last sum. Secant pi by 3. That is secant 60 is what? Secant 60 is nothing but what? Pi by 3 only. Because 180 by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. So secant pi by 3 is what? 2. You substitute the value. 3x by 2 divided by tan pi by 3. Tan 60 is what? Root 3. So root 3 cancelled. We get 2y. Very simple. Very important is what? This formula only. Ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta equal to a square plus b square. This equation is very important. Just you substitute the value, we get the equation of the normal. So root 3 tan pi by 3 is what? Tan pi by 3 root 3. Root 3 cancelled. What is now? Here what? A square plus b square. A is what? 3. 3 square plus b square 2 root 3 the whole square. 2 root 3 whole square is what? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are nothing but what? 12. Now 3x by 2 plus 2y equal to 9 plus 12 is what? 21. 3x 2 2s are what? 4y. 2 into 21 is what? 42. 3x plus 4y equal to 42 or 3x plus 4y minus 42 equal to 0 is the required equation of the normal. So we find the using the given equation of the tangent, equation of the parabola, you find the value for hyperbola, you find the value for a and b. Also theta is given. Only remember the two formula. What is the two formula? X secant theta, equation of tangent at theta is what? X secant theta by a minus 1 minus y tan theta by b equal to 1. This is equation of tangent. Just substitute the value. Similarly, equation of the normal. What is the formula? Similarly, reciprocal. Ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta. Ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta equal to a square plus b square. Remember the two formula. You refer the table only, able to understand very easily. Refer the table. Already I told you for the last chapter of the 5th chapter, the last page having that tangent and condition for the tangent and the normal, equation of the tangent and everything is given. 3 tables given. Learn the table and using the table only able to do the sum. So we say remember the formula. After substitute the value for a, b and theta value, we get the equation of the normal. The same method we are going to taught in example sums also. What is the example? Example is what? 5.28. The same model. For this question we find the equation tangent and normal to the hyperbola. Here the equation tangent and normal to the ellipse. The same method only, the formula only differ. The equation of the find the equation of tangent and normal to the ellipse. When theta equal to here theta equal to pi by 3. There theta equal to pi by 3 again. Here the question is theta equal to pi by 4. What is the equation of the ellipse? Same only. Equation of ellipse is what? X square plus 4y square equal to what? 32. Divide by 32. Divide by 32 is what happened? So we get what? X square by 32, y square by So 4 is divided by 30, we get 8 equal to 1. This is of the form what? X square plus by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Comparing a square equal to 32, b square equal to 8. A square equal to 32 means what is the a value? 2 into 4, 4 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 2 is 32. So 4 into root 2. B square into 8 means b equal to what? 2 root 2. So using given ellipse, we find the value for a and b. Remaining very easy for equal to tangent at theta. Remember the formula x cos theta by a plus. Instead of a minus, you are having what symbol? Plus. Opposite sign only. X cos theta. Here x secant theta. Here x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b equal to 1. For here what? X secant theta by a minus y tan theta by b. Here x cos theta by a. This is the tangent to the ellipse. So x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b equal to 1. Substitute the value. A equal to 4 root 2, b equal to 2 root 2, theta equal to 5 by 4. Substitute the value. See the calculation part here. X into, instead of cos 5 by 4 by a 4 root 2 plus y into sin 5 by 4 by 2 root 2 equal to 1. Cos 45 and sin 45 is what? 1 by root 2. X into 1 by root 2 by 4 root 2. Y into 1 by root 2 by 2 root 2 equal to 1. See, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Reciprocal of this one, what do you get? This is the numerator in a 4 root 2. If you want to simplification into 1 by 4 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. 4 2s are 8. That is nothing but what? X by 8. X by 8 plus y 1 by root 2. This is what? 1 by 2 root 2. Root 2 into root is what? 2. 2 2s are 4. Y by 4 equal to 1. That is nothing but what? So you take what? LCM. If you take LCM, 8 is the LCM means what? Multiply and divide by 2 in the next term. So x by 8. So 4 2s are 8 only, no? So x plus 2y by 8 goes to the right hand side. 1 into 8 is 8. X plus 2y equal to 8. Or x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Simple sum formula is very, very important. Similarly, we are going to find the equation of the normal. Remember that formula, that's all only. What is the formula? Equation of the normal at theta equal to 5 by 4. Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta. Instead of plus having minus symbol. Ax by cos theta, by by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. So this is very important formula. This is important. Using the table only, easily remember that one. Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. We know the value for a, b and theta value. Instead of a, substitute 4 root 2 by cos 5 by 4. Theta value is 5 by 4. Minus instead of b, 2 root 2 into y by sin 5 by 4 equal to a square minus b square. A square is what? 4 root 2. Squaring we get what? 32 minus what is our b square value? 8. Using this one, see. What is your a square for using that one? A square equal to 32, b square equal to 8. Substitute the value. That's all only. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 also 1 by root 2. Just you take the reciprocal. Root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. 4 2s are 8x. Root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. 2 2s are 4y. 8x minus 4y equal to what? 24. That is nothing but divide by what number? Divide by 4. We get what? 2x minus y equal to 6. 2x minus y minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation of the normal. Which one is very important? Equal to the normal formula, equation of the tangent. From that question, easily we find to make the equation the standard form of the ellipse. Afterwards, you remember the value for a square and b square value. So this is the equation of the ellipse. We come to in the standard form. From this equation of the ellipse, what is a square, what is the b square? Remember that formula, just you substitute the value, get the result.